Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Okay. Today I talk less because take out another tea. Kamma. Today very painful. Okay. Today I am going to explain about Alapana, vocative case. We usually can say being addressed. This means somebody order to somebody. It's one man or one bhikkhu order to somebody to do something. At that moment, we have to use alapana. Okay, this is little bit different according to the grammar, but nouns you can understand very easy, but verb little bit different. Okay, example now. Naro gamang gacchati. The man go to the village. Somebody want to tell, to order, please go to the village. At that moment, Naro become Nara. Nara gamang gacchati cannot say. Gacchatu. Please go. Little bit different. Okay. Slowly we can explain. Don't worry. First, try to understand this thing. See, Nara plus A become Nara. Nara plus A become Nara. Singular, how many noun? How many words? 2. Plural, Nara plus A, Nara. Okay? Can see? Nara, Nara, Nara. Now according to the we are using time, what is the difference of Patama and Alapana. Subject and being addressed. What is the different way how we understand according to this way? Singular nara nara. You have to add in front of singular bho. BHO bho. Bho nara. Dear man. Bho meaning dear. Dear. Okay? Because sometimes we are addressed to somebody. Dear. We use English, no? Same way. Bho meaning dear. Bho nara. Dear man. Bho nara. Dear man. Okay? Please write down English meaning. Understand? Sorry, yeah. Bho. Yeah, because singular, no? Singular. That's a now singular also have nara. Plural also have nara. How we understand what is the singular plural? Because of bhava, bhavo, bhavanto. Bhavanto nara. Dear men. Understand? Bhavanto meaning plural. Bhavanto nara. Dear men. Bho nara. Now the bho you can see in the so many sutta. The bho Gautamu. Bho Gautama meaning the Lord Buddha. Bho Gautama. The some unreligion the person called to Lord Buddha Bho Gautama. Bho Gautama. Bho meaning dear. Usually Sri Lanka we use the Pingvat. Pingvat meaning who has good merit. Who has good merit life. Who has the example now everybody has good merit, no? Because of the reason you are come to here always. You have become Buddhist. You are always associate Sangha. You are come to study. Compared to other body, you are good merit people. Very good. We can say Bho. Now, Bhavanto Upasaka. Understand? Bhavanto Upasika. Bhavanto meaning who has the good merits, who has the good punya life. This we call the Bho Bhavanto. But according to English meaning, dear, they say, I don't know another meaning English. Okay? Dear. Understand? Everybody okay? Now they see our PowerPoint. They explain vocative case singular and plural. Please try to understand. No? Understand? This side? Okay? Next time we can call Bho Bhante. Can say. Bho Bhante. Also can. But Bhante, already everything complete. But Bho Bhante also we can say. But Bho Purisa. Example now, you can say now your name, no? Example each other call name, no? Now you can say dear brother, no? Dear brother. Brother mean English, Pali? How to say brother? Bhata also can say brother, but it's better Sodara. Why? according to our akaranta masculine, sodaro, sodara, sodarang, sodare. Bho sodara. Bho sodara meaning dear brother. Bho sodara. Yeah. That's a different noun. That's why I don't want to explain here. Listen, bhatu ukaranta. Bhatu. Bhata, bhataro, bhatara. Bhatarang, bhatare. Bhatarena, bhatarebi, bhatare. Bhatuno, bhatusa, bhatuna. Bhatare, bhatarami, bhatara, bhataramha, bhatarasma, bhatarebi, bhatare. Bhatuno, bhatusa, bhatuna. Bhatarami, bhatarasmi, bhatare. So different different way. No need to explain. But bhata also brother. Singular. Okay, bhata subject, bhata also singular brother. But it's better sodara. Sodara meaning brother. We can, according to the cases, we can declension. Sodaro, sodara. Sodarang, sodare. Okay? Sodara. Next time we can say Bho sodara. Bho sodara. Dear brother. Okay? Sister. Bhatari. 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 And sodari. Sodari. R-I. R-I. Sodari. Bhatari. T-A-R-I. Bhatari. Bhatari. Yeah, Bhatari. Okay. Sodari. But later we can see the words, but only understand Bhatari, Sodari. But because all the nouns not follow the same way, different way follow. Otherwise, yeah, start with all nouns, you try to follow only one way. That's all confused. Okay, that's why. Yeah. Next one. Okay, please recite. Nara, nara, nara. Okay. Singular nara, nara. Plural nara. Okay. Next one. Okay. Now please add bho, bho nara. Bho nara. Bhavanto nara. Okay, write down with the add bho nara, bhavanto nara. But here no mention, not add, maybe later coming. But if you need, please mark in your book. I think the some of Dhamma sister, Dhamma brother give up the Pali class, no? That's why somebody not come. Now I count. Somebody now 2 days, 3 days, 4 time no come to class. Yeah, I check. Somebody give up, no? I mark all. Who is coming, who is not coming. But I don't know name, but I remember face. I know the somebody yesterday class he already missed, but today is coming. Okay, but somebody no continuously not coming. No, this is not for me, for you, because this time actually your first time, no? Maybe sometimes cannot understand, but it's better write down all detail. Try to practice. One time not enough. Again, continuously practice. Then can memorize and can enter the can understand. Maybe we can again, maybe after a few months, we can again contact like Pali classes. At that time, can slowly by slowly, not hurry, because we also study continuously 4 years. Continuously 4 years, I am studied Pali. Not only Pali, all the Dhamma together, but almost Pali. Okay. Next one, please recite. Bho matula, bho matula, bhavanto matula. Good. Next one. Good. If you need, write down. Okay. Okay. Now you can understand. Okay. Please recite. Bo is. Sometimes the bhavang also use. Sometimes bhavang also use, but anyway you have to press only bho enough this time. Man, later can understand. Agachatu bhavang gotamo. The mula the sutta agachatu bhavang gotamo. The venerable, the Gautama, please come. Agachatu bhavang gotamo. They have different way, but later can understand. Enough this time bho and bhavantu. Huh? Okay. Next one. Oh, sorry. Exercise for the retreat. Okay, okay. But I need the paper and this. Okay. After explanation, no? After, because today can 9:30 until. Okay. Okay. Example. Bho purisa gamang gacchetu. Now different. No? Gacchetu. Understand? Gacchetu meaning imperative mood according to English. Later, after go home, check what is the meaning imperative. Okay. But Pali we call Panchami Yatta. Panchami Atta. This meaning bracket Anapaka Vidhana. They express common the okay. Now you can see understand. But usually somebody order to someone. Bho Purisa Gamang Gacchatu. This means, dear man, please go to the village. Gacchatu meaning, gacchati meaning, gacchati go. Gacchatu, please go. But for the understander, please go. This is the polite word, no? Gacchatu, please go. Yeah, different only verb. Okay, I am going to explain now. Understand? Gacchati, gacchanti. This is a normal present moment. Present moment we are using. But according to the Alapana, being address case, we have to change our word. Gacchati become gacchatu. Ti change to tu. Gacchatu. Unti change to untu. Gacchantu. Only little bit different. Understand? Gacchatu meaning please go. Gacchantu also please go. But singular, plural. Understand? Okay, same way. Please. Okay, after write down first. First write down. Okay, example. Dhavati, dhavanti. How to change? Dhavatu, dhavantu. Agacchati. How to translate? How to change? Pachati. How to change? Very good. Now understand. No need to worry. Okay. Now please try, practice. If you need, write down quickly, as soon as possible. Because our time more important. We have only the few lessons. After few lessons, finish. This time I have to finish some. I have the target now. I have to go until my target. Yeah. Okay. Everybody okay? Now example. Okay, please recite. Sapurisa or Sapurisa. Okay. Bho Sapurisa meaning dear, the dear virtuous man. Gachatu. Okay, now you see meaning. Dear virtuous man. After dear virtuous man, you have to do this mark. I don't know English how to say. Exclamation. This mark, not the comma. Dear virtuous man. You have to mark. This one. Because we have to follow the according to the way. This is a rule. I don't know English, but it's for the understand. Then you can understand this. If you have It's a part. But usually we not use enough bo. Bo meaning everything complete. Next time, if you want to talk to somebody, please come to the PAMC. Then you have to use. Okay. Agachatu, welcome. Agachatu, welcome. Agachatu, come, come. Welcome meaning swagata. No need to think. Swagata, swagata, welcome. Okay, next one. Bhavan, okay, recite. Pujeti, pujenti, pujetu, pujentu. Plural, no? Bhavanto daraka, meaning? Daraka meaning? Children. Pujentu. It's better offer here. Offer. Offer. Usually offer. Usually the respect we call vandati. Vandati, vandanti. Vandati meaning respect. Honor meaning garavati. Garavati, garavanti. But it's better pujantu meaning offer, because some are dictionary, they call English dictionary, they give the many meaning. But we have to divide. Pujantu meaning offer. Respect meaning vandati. And honor meaning garavati. Garavati. Okay. Okay, please translate. Check. Bhavanto daraka. Now Bhavanto Dharaka meaning Alapana Bahuvachana. Pujantu meaning Kiriya Bahuvachana. Buddhassa Chatutti Ekavachana. Aharam Dutiya Ekavachana. What is the verb? Which kind of thing they offer? To whom? Who is receiver? Now, this meaning, dear children, please offer the food to the Buddha. Okay?
So if I change the thing, dear children, please respect the Buddha food.
Sorry, sir, Buddhas?
Please respect the Buddha food. Buddha food. They mean Buddha sir, we change it to
But ahara. You mean the respect to Lord Buddha's food? Okay, please, sir. Please wait. Yeah, but usually the pujetu meaning offer. Okay? Because now the according to English dictionary they give the three meaning. Actually respect meaning vandati. Bow down. If the example, if I have the something offer to the somebody, at that time we have to use pujeti. I don't have something, I only pay respect, at that time vandati. Okay? Now the Sangha, the venerable Sangha is coming. At that moment we are respect. Garavati. Understand? The different place. If I have something offered to the Lord Buddha or to the Sangha, at that time we have to use pujeti. Now, pujemi buddhang kusumena nena. Kusuma meaning flowers. With the flowers. Buddhan to the Buddha, pujemi I offer. I have the flowers, I am going to offer to the Buddha. Pujemi buddham kusumena nena. Kusumena anena. The different grammar. That's why I cannot take it like this example. Because they kusumena anena. Anena meaning here this. This. Kusumena this flower. Actually this Pali poem explain only the singular. They take this with this flower. But we have to understand with these flowers. Pujemi buddham. Pujemi don't have subject. In the Pali poem, Pujemi buddham kusumena nena punyena meten labhami mokkam. Puppang milayati yatha idamme kayo tatayati vinasa bhava. Don't have subject. But we have to understand what is subject. Pujemi. But I haven't yet teach. Pujemi meaning aham. I offer to the Buddha with these flowers. This meaning these flowers I offer to the Buddha. Understand? Pujemi meaning something I have offered. At that we have to use pujemi. Pujeti. But I want to pay respect. This means three example. Now I have the flowers offered to the Buddha. At that time, pujeti. Then want to pay respect. Vandati. Bow down. Vandati. The same place we are doing different things. No? First offer, then respect. If Sangha coming, at that moment we usually talk with the hand like this, we do respect. Or sometimes we recite Supatipanno Bhagavato like this. This is a Garavati. We are respect. We are honest to the Sangha. Agaravati. Okay? This different place we can use like this. But if we have something at the time, we use pujedi. But here we cannot say respect. But if you want to say Buddha Saharang, Vandati. Vandatu. Okay? Now, Bhavanto Dharaka Buddhas Aharang Vandantu. Because now we can say now another one. Bhavanto Upasaka Buddhas Aharang Vandantu. This means now we are somebody preparing Buddha Puja to the ahara for the Buddha. Then someone touch. Always sadhu sadhu anumo. They say no. This is the meaning. At that moment we can say Buddhas ahara. Okay, but have to change the verb. But according to English they have the offer, respect. That's why we add. But have the different meaning. Okay, understand? Next one. Please recite. Meaning? Dear devotees, or maybe layman, devotee, layman, please give the rice to the Sangha. Good. Okay. Now each other you can communicate now. Next time, maybe you have time after finish the class. Maybe somebody go to the meditation retreat in the Batam at that moment. Or if you're free, don't talk the useless thing. Try to communicate with the small Pali words. Or maybe if you are gathered into some place, at that moment you try to communicate each other with the Pali words. It's okay. If somebody wrong, don't laugh. Try to correct this one, like this one, like this. This is a good harmonious. Okay? Try to each other discuss. When we was study at that moment, we are all because discuss with the Pali language. We communicate. Every day, daily dialogue, we use the Pali language. Pali. At that moment, some words new. We can listen from others. At that time, then someone can listen new words from me. This is a way. Slowly, slowly. Okay, now understand, no? Next one. Desentu. Bhavanto Savaka. Our disciple. Better becket of the Buddha. Disciple. Upasakanam. To the lay devotees. Dhammang. Desentu. Please. You have that, please. No, because Bhavanto Savaka. At that time, Bhavanto No, Buddhassa bhavanto savaka. Different. Because bhavanto follow the savaka. Okay, understand? Very good. Can build one sentence by yourself? Oh, at that time? Can? Okay, one of the upasaka. Please build one sentence. Try. One of the upasaka try to build one sentence, a small sentence. Punjattu. Punjattu. Bho acharya or bho acharya bhattang bunjatu. Good. One more sentence. Somebody can be. Okay. Next time have homeworks. Don't worry. Okay. Translate to Pali. Dear fisherman, please give the fish to the recluses. Okay. How to translate? Another thing. Example, English devil. Oh man, hi man. All boa, dear, same. Dear, same family. Home, oh man, hi man. Somebody, we are talking English, no? All are under the dear, bo. Okay? But English different places. Hi man, oh man, dear man, all same. But Pali only we use bo. This also please mark. Okay. Okay. Answer can see you. Very happy, no? Dadatu. Dadatu also can, Dadatu also can. Because dadati, dadanti, also have dadati, dadanti also have Pali. So dadatu, dadantu also can, dadatu, dadantu also can, dadatu also can. Hmm? Yeah. Yeah. But already add the answer. Answer. Yeah, with the dadatu or dadantu. You see here the dadatu, the mistake. Dadatu. Dadatu or dadantu. Dadatu or sorry, dadatu or dadatu. Here dadatu, this mistake. We must change dadatu. Here also dadatu. If we here dadatu, here also dadatu. Okay? Follow same. Dadati, dadanti, dadatu, dadantu, dadati, dadanti, dadatu, dadantu. Okay? Next one. Dear fishermen, please wash the garments for the Brahmins. Washerman. Washermen plural. Bhavanto rajaka. Please wash dhovantu the garments satake for the Brahmins. BRAH mistake. BRA loan H. Mistake. Sorry. Please bring the homeworks. New Alapana. Everybody okay? Okay. This is a new homeworks coming about Alapana. Oh. Okay. Why too late, brother? Oh. Okay, please still printing after finish the class. Everyone can collect from the office. Now, please try. Okay, add one noun. Puris. Okay, recite. Please, my one request. Tomorrow, I will ask everybody one noun. You try to memorize according this way. Please recite in front of me. Tomorrow I class one by one. Okay. Okay. Please don't miss your class also. Tomorrow. Okay. Please write down after because tomorrow holiday, no? Okay, write down. Tomorrow have class, no? Yeah, tomorrow have. Write down, then try to practice because now you know, very easy. Then without paper, close the eye, recite. Don't worry if mistake. Don't worry. I will support. I will support. Okay. Tomorrow. Okay. Practice this one. One more. One more. Okay. Your homeworks. Tomorrow listen. No? Okay. Now the previous time lesson 14. Remember? Lesson 14. Na? Sorry, my mistake. Lesson 12. 13. No? Must 13. No? I think must 13. No? Lesson 13, I think. Okay. Anyway, this one. Locative case. In, on, at. Okay, check. Singalo luddakassa avatamhi patati. Meaning? Okay. The jackal falls into the hunter's feet. Okay, one of the Bante. Sakuna kasakanang rukesu sayanti. Please, other keep silent. Listen only. One of the Bante.
Birds sleep on the farmer's tree.
Oh.
The birds sleep on the trees of the farmers.
Correct or wrong? Good. The birds sleep on the farmer's tree. Okay, another Bante. First recite sentence. Recite first. Tapasena.
Samuttamhi nahayanti.
Hmm.
The disciples
Hmm.
bathe in the sea with the honey.
Correct or wrong? Hmm. Correct? Okay. One of the Upasaka. First recite Deva
Lokasim Sapurisa
Sapurise
Sapurise Rankanti
Rakhanti.
Rakhanti.
Hmm.
The deity protect the visual man in the world.
Good. Hmm. Another Upasaka, one of the Upasaka. We had so many Upasaka. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, one of the Upasaka. So, okay.
Rukamha Makamhi Patati. Parrot falls on the path from the tree.
Correct or wrong? The parrot. Huh? Okay. On to the path. On. Huh? on the path. Okay, one of the Upasika from my right side. One of the Upasika. Next one. Bhopalo, first recite. Pasa dasming viharati. Again. Yeah, in the palace with the good. Okay, from this side, one of the Upasaka. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Upasaka have. One of the Upasaka. Okay, recite first Upasaka. Okay, recite. Number 7. Siho Gamamhi First, Siho, the lion. Passati, Nare. The men in the village from the mountain. Again, complete. The lion sees from the mountain. This means he is looking the man from the mountain, no? In the man's living in the village. One of the Upasika from my right side, one left side. Acharya hattehi samananang pattesu aharang tapenti. Tapenti meaning tapeti keep. One of the Upasika, any of Upasika, try one by one. Acharya, teachers. Tapenti, aharang. Pattesu, but patta belongs to somebody. Samananang. In the monk's ball. Hattehi. With their hands. Okay, again. Sorry, again. The teachers keep But it's better samananam pattesu. In the balls of the saman also can, but four also can. But one of the meaning you can follow. Usually samananang pattesu is better chatti follow. In the balls of the oracruces. Okay, one of the Upasaka from my left side. Can? Try. Upasaka Vanijassa Putta. Vanijassa Putta. Upasaka, please, meaning? Gamamhi. The merchant's son received goats from the hunters in village. Okay, next one. Try any of Upasika. Kassa kassa sahaya. First recite whole sentence. Okay, try. What is the meaning different? Kassa kassa sahaya, the farmer's friends. Chindanti, cut. Rukke, the trees. Rajaputassa rukke also can. The trees of the king. Sorry, prince. Okay. This also can, but here the tree Deepasming on the island. Kakachehi with the source, Rajaputasa for the friends. This way also can. Another way, the farmer's friend cut the prince trees on the island with saws. Okay, yeah. This meaning this tree belongs to the prince. This also can. Usually the farmers cannot cut the trees of the prince, but because the prince is the owner of the land, no? But we can cut like a robber, thief, no? But usually farmer's friend cut the tree for the friends. If you have any question, ask or need to clear, because somebody request me the subject, object, verb, very easy to make sentence. But if you add the more some words, it will be difficult to understand. If you have any problem, tomorrow our class 7:30. Before maybe if meditate chanting time, no chanting, no anymore chanting, no meditating, no chanting, no meditate.
Officially meditation time is
Until
until 6.
6, no? Okay. After 6 until 7 o'clock, I can explain the how to apply the how to build the sentence. Okay, if 6 to 7, but the official class starts 7:30 until 9:30. But the 6 to 7, I will explain how to build the sentence, small sentence. Okay. Now, if you have anything to ask, please join. Okay. Okay, one of the Bhante. The deers wander on the island.
Mika, Ipe, or Ipamhi, or Ipasmi, Abindanti.
Ahindanti. Ahindanti or charanti. Ahindanti or charanti. Okay. Next one. One of the Bante.
The wicked man kills the wise man in the beast. Asapuriso Kamami
Hmm?
Kamami
Gamamhi.
Wakame
Hmm?
Wakamasmin Pandit
Sappurisang. Okay.
Purisam Panditam
Oh, Pandita. Okay, Pandita.
Nati.
Hanati. The wicked man Asapuriso in the village Game. The wise man Panditang kills Hanati or Mareti. Hanati or Mareti. Mareti also kill. Huh? Hanati also kill. Okay. Next one of the Upasaka. Okay, one of the Upasaka. Try.
Akacha, Suena, Akasa, Akasamhi, Akasamin, Udanti.
Again, please correct. The crows, Kaka, fly, Udenti, in the sky. Akase, Akasamhi, Akasasmi, one of the three. With the parrot, Suena, meaning the Kaka, Akase, Suena, Uddenti or Suena, Akase, Uddenti. It's better Kaka, Akase, Suena, Uddenti. It's better. Just change. Kaka, Akase, Suena, Sadding. Because Suena, Uddenti. Suena, Sadding also we can add. Suena, Sadding, Uddenti. Okay. Kaka, Akase, Suena, Sadding, Uddenti. One of the Upasika. Please recite first English. It's better, no? With their hand also can, no? Okay. The beggar Yachako in the monastery Vihare with hand Hattena the rice Hattehi Aharang Battang or Odanang Bunjati Yachako Vihare Hattehi Odanang Bunjati. Yachako Vihare Hattehi Odanam Bunjati. This meaning he used both hands to eat. Because hatte he used both hands to eat. Because bigger, no? Bigger sometimes use. Yeah, because now how to say, the spoon and fork together. Both hands. But South Asian countries only one hand. Hand, but no spoon, no fork, no chopstick, no. I also don't know how to use chopstick. Okay, next one. One of the Upasaka. First recite first. Okay, in the corner have two Upasaka. Okay, please try. One by one, the birds. Sakuna. In the mountain. No, in the mountain. Pabatamhi. From the trees. Rukebi to the sky. Akasang, fly. Udenti, okay, meaning Sakuna Pabate Rukha or Rukamha Akasang Udenti. Okay, Sakuna Pabate Pabatamhi. Rukamha. So Rukebi. From the trees Rukebi, the mystic. Trees, because many birds, Rukebi, or Rukebi or Rukehi. Sakuna Pabatamhi or Pabatasming Rukebi Akasang Udenti. Please try to the one thing I want to explain. Now we are send the letter, no? Letter. At that moment we use from to. To is the receiver side. From sending. Here also try from to the same place. Now Rukamha Akasang. Understand? Rukamha from the tree. So Rukehi from the trees to sky to Akasa. Okay? Some small thing you have to understand. Same place, one place. Because after from have to. This from to. Tomorrow, no? Okay. If I alive, my pain.
Tomorrow don't talk until 6 o'clock.
Okay. One of the Upasika, try. Our doctor also stay here. She came to see me because pain, no? Okay, next one. Good. up to you. If you see the one fish, machang. But you see the many, mache. But according to English, fish, fish. Understand? Okay, one of the Upasaka, try from this side, my left side, left. One of the Upasaka, try. Patamhi machang pasanti. Okay. Number 7. Next Upasaka, one of the Upasaka. The king stands on the stairway in the palace. The king meaning? Bhopalo. In the palace. Pasadamhi. On the stairway. Sopane. Stands. Now the two Sattami together, no? Okay? On the stairway in the palace. The two Sattami. Bhopalo pasade sopanamhi tethati. Now you have to understand. Sometime can misunderstand. Bhopalo sopanamhi pasade tithati. Can see? Cannot. Why? Palace is a big. Inside the palace, stairway. Understand? Must put palace first. After that, stairway. Now this is a way how to understand. Tomorrow, no? Okay. Understand? Palace is the big. Stairway inside the palace. And this means pasade sopanamhi. This is Bhopalo pasade sopanamhi tittati. Understand? Okay. Next one. Try. One of disciples. Okay. The disciples sit on the rocks in the mountain with the Buddha. The disciples, Savaka, in the mountain, Pabba Tapsming, on the rocks, Pasa, plural, no? Pasanesu, with the Buddha. Buddhena Nisidanti. Okay. Savaka Buddhena Saddin. Buddhena Saddin you take to up. Because the Savaka follow the Lord Buddha. Then Lord Buddha close to the Savaka. Savaka Buddhena Saddin. Pabbatam he. Sorry, here wrong. The rocks plural. Pasana. Yeah, here so place the mistake. Pasanesu nisidanti. Okay, understand? Because why? Now somebody can say Savaka Pabbatasming Pasanesu Buddhena Nisidanti. But Buddhena, who is Buddhena? The Savaka follow with the Buddha. At that moment, Savaka Buddhena. Buddhena, you try to take close to Savaka. Savaka Buddhena Sadding. The disciple with the Buddha. Go. Okay? Savaka Buddhena Sadding Pabbatasmi Pasanesu Nisidanti. And Pasanesu Pabbatami Nisidanti we cannot say. Why? Pabbata meaning mountain is a big one. Inside the mountain so many stone. Inside the mountain. At that moment, Pabbatamhi Pasanesu Nisidanti. Savaka Buddhena Sadding Pabbatamhi Pasanesu Nisidanti. Okay. Next one. The messengers birds fall from sky into the ocean. Oh, very dukkha, no? No anybody protect them, no? Okay, one of the Upasaka. The messenger's bird, Du Sakuna. Akasamha Dutassa Sakuna Akasamha Samuddamhi Patanti. Okay, because from into. This meaning birds already inside the ocean. This meaning into the ocean or inside the ocean. If you, from the sky to ocean meaning sometimes can say different. Samuddam. From the sky to the ocean, Samuddam. Into meaning inside the ocean. Okay. Next one. Okay. See. Manavo Matulassa Dharakehi Sadding Manchasming Sayati. Because why? Uncle's children. We have to follow Jot. Manavo Matulassa Dharakehi Sadding. Did you do homeworks according to New Pali course? First and second lesson? Ah, very good. Okay, can I borrow the one of the book, New Pali course? Okay, take your homeworks according New Pali course book. Translate into English. Okay, the one of the please also recite the question. I recite, give answer.
Manusana.
Meaning of the human beings, or to the human with two meaning. One of the two you can add. Two also can add. Manusana. Two or of. It's better if you are write to the human beings, better bracket Chatuthi Bahuvachana. Of the human beings, bracket Chatti Bahuvachana. It's better for you to understand. Next one. Purise two meaning. Dutiya Bahuvachana, the men. Sattami Ekavachana, in the man. Next one. Hattang. The hand, only accusative. Dutiya Ekavachana. Next. Padamhi. On the leg. Yeah, Sattami. Okay. Next. Kayena. With the body. Tatya Ekavachana. Or Karana Ekavachana also can. Next one. Oh, on the both. Sattami Bahuvachana. Buddhesu, in the Buddhas. On Dhammang. Oh, sorry. Next one. Sangamha. Suriye. Two meaning have suns and in the sun. It's proper in the sun because we can see only one sun in the world. Still we can see only one sun. Maybe in future, after many years, we can see until 7 sun. But at that moment we can see in the Brahma Loka. But in the human, if you in the human life, you can see only 1 and 2. After 2, all human beings die. Go to the Devaloka and Brahma Loka. After Brahma Loka, you can see 7 sun in the world. According to Satta Suryoggamana Sutta, Anguttara Nikaya. Satta Suryoggamana Sutta explain how appear the 7 sun in the world. How destroy the world. Okay. Next. Rukkasa, two meaning, no? To the tree or of the tree. Next. With the sky. Okay. Tatya. Or Karan. Next one. Bhopalebi. Two meaning, no? With the kings or from the kings. Deva. Two meaning. Patama Bahuvachana, deities. Panchami Ekavachana, from the Deva. Deity. Okay. Alapana also you can add. Bho Deva, Bhavanto Deva also you can add. Try to add by yourself for the understand. Next one. Chanda meaning? How many moon in the world? We can see only one according to our planet. But so many moon in the world. Same way, so many sun also in the world. But the universe, because the under the one sun, we one Chakkavala, no? So many Chakkavala, universal in the world. Huh? We can see only one moon. Chanda. Ga Masma. Next one. Gonaya. Chatuthi, no? Next one. Plural. Chatuthi and Chatti plural. Of the lions to the lion. Next one. Aso, the horse. Patama ekavachana. Aso. Next one. Sakuna. Sakuna. Boho sakuna. Dear bird. Singular. Manchasming. It's better on the bed. In the bed is okay, on the bed is better. On the bed. Huh? If you inside the bed, can say inside the bed, not on the bed. Okay. Okay. Translate into Pali. Sunaka. Of the hand. Hatas. On the men. From the tree. In the islands. Deepe. With the foot. By the hands. To the lion. Of the auction. Of the auction. Gonanang. From the birds. From the birds. Sakune bi or Sakune he. By the king. Bhupalena. Oh deity. Ho bo de ve. Bo de ve. There's a oh deity. High deity. Dear. Okay. To the sun. In the sky. Through the body. Tatya or Karana. Through only Kartatya. On the bed. Manchas. Of the moons. Chandana. Plural, no? Chandana. In the world. Lokasmi. Chirang titthatu lokasming samma sambuddha sasana. Samma sambuddha sasana. This is samma sambuddha sasana. Chirang titthatu lokasming. Lokasming in the world. Chirang, long time. Titthatu. Tittatu. Chiran Tittatu, together you can Chiran Tittatu. Okay? Lokasming in the world. The monkey. Through the light. I think next one I tomorrow check. Now the next lesson next on tomorrow I will check. And you get the new homeworks about Alapana. Please try to practice by yourself. Tomorrow I am going to explain about second person and first person. Ahang, mayang. Ahang meaning I, mayang meaning we. Twang, you, tumhe, you. Singular you, plural also you equal English, no? This four I am going to explain. I, we, you, and according to the Pali words, the verbs, because the verbs little bit change. Tomorrow our explanation after finish the tomorrow no need to exercise the number third and fourth. And tomorrow I give homework exercise 3 and 4. 3 and 4 can. Okay, everybody okay? Okay, now one thing. First one, you have to do homework lesson 14 and please one of the noun. How to declension according to vibhakti cases. Puriso, purisa, one of the noun. Everyone must practice. Please recite in front of me during the class, in front of everybody. Okay? Try, can. Naro can. Same way, only change the name. Okay, I can give the noun, okay? I can suggest the noun for each person. Can? Okay. Bhupalo, Kassako, Pasado, Buddha, Putta, Manussa, Matula, Kumara, Mitta, Brahmana, Vanija, Bhatta, Gama, Dhamma, Vihara, Patta, ball, Patta, Odana, Odana, Hatta, Kona, Hatta, Pada, next one, Pada, Kaya, next one, Rukka, Pasad, Pasana, Sang, Aloka, Loka, Akasa, Surya, Chand, Mag, Chora, Lekaka, Deva, Vanara, Deep, Mancha, bit. Ahara, don't forget ahara, every day we take. Siha, Miga, Asa, Asa means horse, Gona, Sunaka, Varaha, already got no? Varaha, Sakuna, bird. Aja, Kaka. Already good? Already. Kaka. Already no? Okay, Kaka. Ratha, vehicle. Sakata, chariot. Cart, sakata, cart. Savaka. Samana, Yachaka. Sigala, Sara. And if don't miss your class, because I check according to the word. Everyone must come tomorrow. Huh? Don't go anywhere. And if you some friend today not come, tomorrow is coming, maybe make phone call them. Please give the new nouns. Try to practice. Huh? Okay. Sadhu. Idam me punyang asavakkaya vahang hotu. Idam me punyang nibbanas paccayo hotu. Mama punya bhagang sabba sattanang bhajemi. Te sabbe me samang punya bhagang labhantu. Sadhu.